And it's my turn. So, before we get started, show y'all guys something real quick. Bam! That's why we were talking about the Rose Dragons. I got my own deck that my husband bought me. So he added these 3 cards that he just pulled in there. Okay, now to open my box.
Yes, y'all, I'm a gentleman. I buy my woman roses. I'm corny. Sorry.
Anywho, we gonna open my box.
Don't she just got a calm that voice, y'all? Don't she just be soothing? I be yelling and be hyper, and she don't. She just be calm and soothing.
There's no point in talking loud. They don't get you what you want any faster.
This is true.
These right here.
So
that right there.
Some research on the secret rares. Which ones would you like to pull?
I know Rudy. What is it? Rudy Rose Dragon. Ruddy Rose Dragon. Need that. What else did I see? I think I seen a card, Amazing Time card. I think it was a pretty good card. It's another one that I did some research on. I gotta remember the name.
It'd be cool if you could pull the Starlight Rare too.
Yeah, you need Starlight Rares. I think it's like what, 6 of those?
Yeah, 6 in total.
So,
I don't know. I know one is the black.
It might be 5 or 6.
Black Rose Dragon is one.
Yeah, Black Rose Dragon.
Book of Eclipse. Book of
Luna. Book of Luna.
Luna Eclipse. Okay.
Yeah, they got a Starlight version, and then they got the
secret rare.
The secret rare.
Okay, yeah, I wouldn't mind that card.
So either one of those would be good.
It seems like that War Rock Meteor Dragon is easy to pull because me and Amaya pulled one. So anyway, yeah. I don't want to just talk your head off and take up your whole video. Right or left, it doesn't matter. We're gonna go with this one first. Slide that on out the way. First pack. Let's see if we can get it in 20 minutes or less. Probably not. Yeah, I go with that dog one again. Dogmatic Calamity.
Yeah, that Dogmatic Calamity. ZW Pegasus Twin Saber. I Challenge You. Paleozoic. What?
Paleozoic. Yeah, you're right.
Paleozoic. Tribal Brigade. Sunvine Crossbreed. Bujin and them. Amazement Ambassador Bufo. Bufo. That's a cute little teddy bear. Whatever. Clock art.
Yeah, you start to see repeat stuff and just, show them and move on, I guess.
Yeah. Amaze Attraction. S-Force Dog Tag. One Curie Way. Dark Eye Nightmare.
Oh, and your ultra is
Live Twin Key Sickle Frost. I think that's the one in the Maya pool.
Yeah, Maya pulled that one too. Yeah. I'll take it from here. Just grab some sleeves again. I thought I had some. I got some. Okay.
Judge Ice Barrier. Seen that. Star Mine. Bujin. Sunvine Crossbreed.
So your first ultra rare was Live Twin. Kiss to Kill. It's like Kill a Kill. Yeah.
Triple D. DDD. I ain't gonna try to pronounce it. Adoshi Damashi. Amaze Attraction. S-Force Dog Tag. War Rock Spirit. Oh, wow, that's my style right there. I like a warrior.
Yeah, if it was a good deck, I wish it was a good deck. Well, it's all about what you make. We should try to build it.
Judge of Ice Barrier. Springin's Booty. Star Mine. War Rock Mahmood.
I'm just amazed that you're doing all this without knocking anything over. I'm so clumsy.
Terrors of the Underroot. Springin's Brothers. Alliance. We're brothers. Dan Marie at what did I say? Ignister.
Ignister.
Sky Scourge. Sidles. Stay Sailors. Romarin. That's the same card in my.
Yeah, I pulled one too.
Fukabuka. Fukibuki.
It looks like a Namek. Doesn't it look like Namek from Dragon Ball? Like a Namekian.
It does. Ferrophonic. Guardian Sphinx. World Soul Carbon. Screams of Branded. I'm gonna catch arm cramp like a mine.
I thought, right? For real? Yeah, we gotta get a better setup so it's easier on our hand. I want to say where you pull your secret rare is the same over on the other row, but we were wrong last video. So
One Carry Way, Dark Eye Nightmare, Tears of the Underroot, Springer's Brothers, Dark Infant
at Ignister,
Clock Art, Warrock Big Blue, Screams of the Branded, 1 by 1. Let's see here. You're gonna come out of the pack correct? Thank you. The dog card.
Dogmatic Calamity.
Nobody gonna keep on saying it every time you pull it. I meet you. Yamori. Is that a gecko?
I always think like your mama. That's what it sounds like.
Springer's Brothers. Lena the Light Charmer. Lustrous.
That's on mine. Pull that one too.
Zexal Entrust. ZS Armed Sage. Birth of the Prominent Flame. And Uno by Uno.
So we'll try to get a better setup because I didn't know it was bothering y'all hand that much.
It probably wouldn't if I just rest my arms like a regular person.
Yeah.
Instead of a psycho. Dan Marie at Ignister.
Sidell.
Yeah, Sidell's. Dog.
Calamity. Oh, Scrap Raptor. Started to kick off and say, I wonder why you hadn't pulled it yet.
S4's Edge Razor. That looks nice. I like that. Black Eyes.
Got a warrior type feel to it, huh?
Yeah. Amaze Attraction. Fukibuki. Arm Sage. That Fukibuki looked like a cartoon I've seen before. It's not the from Dragon Ball Z though. It's something else. Zexal Alliance. I Meet You. Amazement Special Show. Scrap Raptor.
It seems like once you get them, they start
Amaze Attraction. Cyclo Coaster.
That's our second one of those.
There you go, sir.
Alright, I will take that.
Hidden Springs of the Far East. Amaze Attraction Wonder Wheel. World Soul Carbon. Basil Rose Shoot. Hey.
So what you think your secret rare gonna be?
I have not the slightest clue.
If we get another War Rock, I'll probably flip my leg.
Dark Eye Nightmare. Bujin Condescence. Ha, I got that. Zexal Alliance. I Meet You. Son of Avalon. Melius. Son Avalon. Oh, okay. Well, yeah.
Melius.
You look like a groovy Groot.
They do look like Groot, though. I want to sing the song, but I don't want to get copyright.
Black Eyes. Amaze Attraction. UN99.
See, she was saying I knew it was coming.
Hidden Springs.
This is why we can't have nice things, y'all. So how many packs you got left on the right side?
2.
3, with the one in
and this one, yeah.
Okay. 2 after that one?
Yeah. Okay. War Rock Generations.
We're coming up on the secret rare.
Boo Boo Gang. Dog.
Slow down. This last one. Slow down. Put it slow.
Pegasus Twin Saber.
And, Rocks Rose.
Rocks Rose. Dragon.
Yeah, that was the last one you needed for your deck. So sit that one to the side. Yep. So yeah, from now on, go slow because that's coming up on the secret rare.
Springing's Booty. YuGiOh.
You don't have to go slow with these. Just on the next one when you get ready to pull.
Did y'all ever figure out how to pronounce that? Anchomorphic? Free?
How she?
I don't even know.
You pronounced it perfect. It look like Anchomorphic.
Freet.
I said freak anyway. Sorry.
Amazing. Come on now, Pack.
So between this one and the next one, the secret rare. So when you I think the fourth card in.
Let's see. Amazement Special Show. We're gonna go slow.
You can go fast always.
Wrapped up.
Go.
War Rock Generations.
And now go slow. That next one probably
Boo
gonna be.
Gang.
Oh! What's that?
Bahalutia, the Grand Radiance.
That's cool. That looks good. Oh, wow.
Look at that.
That is amazing.
Essence. Oh, wait.
Candescence. Oh, wow. you teach a word one time, y'all. That's cool. It looks cool. I will take that. That's cool. Yes, ma'am.
Pharaophonic. ZS Arm Sage. You and I. Binary Blader. I don't know if that was one of the ones I had looked at. Let's see. I challenge you. Let's get some focus. Paleozoic. DDG. Maxwell. Oh shit. Oh, Adatoshi. Adashi. It's an otter, ain't it?
Yeah, it looks like a Pokemon. Ottawa from Pokemon.
Warrock Winto.
Yeah, you can speed on up and knock them on out. Now we got all the
Zexal Interest.
I think we got everything y'all want to see, right?
Permanent Flame. Hidden Spring. That still got a whole nother side.
Right. Yeah, she gonna take those from you though.
Which one?
Those comments. Yeah.
They gonna fall over.
Well, it's probably gonna go over 20 minutes too, but you could just speed up because all you really need to do is just we done seen them all now.
Alright. Pick up the pace. Well, brothers.
So do you remember what pack that was with the secret rare? Was it the third pack from the bottom?
It was the second. It was the second pack.
Second pack, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow, that's the one I wanted. We got it. What does it say? Ultimate
Dragonic Utopia Raid.
Yeah, so I guess that's the sign to go ahead and build it, y'all. What y'all think? Leave it in the comment section. Should we build it?
What's that deck called?
It's a ZSZW deck, but they do have a Utopia deck too. I guess they combine them. I have to look up and see.
I like the little carnival thing.
In the background, quick. You can just go Dog Tag, Yomorimori, Sidel, Alliance, Sex Alliance, Etta, the Sun Magician. That's a new one.
Yeah.
Star Mine, Bujin. Alright. So as we get lower down, I guess we can just start to slow down because there's no telling.
Yeah.
See, they all in like, you know.
Yeah, they keep on. They like repetitive.
Mm-hmm.
Supreme Sovereign Serpent. Galonda. Jalonda.
Clock Art.
I was not even looking at the monitor to see if I was focusing. I was just
no, you were. Yeah. I guess once you get that first focus on that first card, you go as fast as you want. Yep.
Incandescence.
Merry-go-round.
Amazement Precious Part. Okay. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, that looks.
It look like Candyland.
Yeah. Fukubiki.
Fukubuku.
No.
Packs don't want to tear, right?
Incandescence. Merry-go-round. See? Auto Sheet Damachi. Camera Rester.
Yeah.
Warrock Spirit. Is that a new one? That was a new one, right?
Yeah.
No, you put that one already?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Star Mine. Warrock. Maybe I should test it out because I just been hearing that it wasn't a good deck. But it is a warrior deck, so it deserves some credibility for me. So we got the ultra rare, the card that's on the packs. Auto Sheet Damachi. Sounds like a pet. You know those Tamagotchi?
The Tamagotchi.
Right. Starry Night Seal. I Challenge You.
Springen's Merrymaker.
Okay, that's a new one.
Yeah.
So we got one more ultra rare and the secret.
Farm Sage. Prominent Flame. Desert Branded.
No, the scrap wrap, she didn't get as many as us. How many is that? 4?
4.
Okay. Mine got 5 and I got 6. Amari. Oh! That looks cool. Oh, man.
Beyond
really
the
cool.
Branded Dragon.
Look. That looks cool, right? Like, super. Like, yeah, moving around something.
Yeah,
oh, wow. Oh.
Catch the light.
Oh, it's not focusing. Okay, there you go. Yeah. I guess I should have made the focus thing a little bigger. That's why I made it small. Okay. That's cool.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Another booty.
Albion, the Branded Dragon.
Boom. Boom.
All right, secret rare. So I guess you can start getting slower.
Yeah. 4 more packs after this one.
So you said it was the second one from the bottom?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Daphne. Damari. Dog Tag. CO. Proof of Proofless. So that's the TCG exclusive, meaning that we got this and the OCG did not. It's a fiend monster. It's like a Pokemon.
It does. Boom. Maze Attraction.
Wheel.
Carbon.
Alright. Oh, I'm so excited, man. What you think it's gonna be? You think it's gonna be good? And boom,
Fingers crossed.
You get another Warrock card.
Watch. Yeah.
Dog Tag.
Be my look.
CL.
Maxwell. Special Show. Pin transaction. Man,
we do a lot of those.
Pin transactions.
Pin the transaction, yep.
Black Eyes. Wonder Wheel. Alright. I wonder if y'all got y'all fingers crossed too.
Y'all got y'all fingers crossed out there? I hope y'all do.
Maxwell. Special Show. Mercury Way. Rock Generations. Amazing Time Ticket.
Amazing Time Ticket.
That's the cool. One that I was looking at.
Okay. That's cool. Amazing
That's
Time
a good
Ticket.
card.
It looks cool, man.
Yeah, catch that light.
Yeah, catch the light. Wow.
That's a good card.
All right. Yeah, that's our last secret rest. I guess you could just power through. Amazing Time Ticket. It says, pay 800 life points, apply this effect, depending on whose turn it is. Your turn, add 1 amazement card from your deck to your hand. Your opponent's turn, set 1 attraction trap directly from your deck. It can be activated this turn. You can only activate one amazing time ticket per turn. That's cool.
Yeah.
New archetype. Maybe we should get into it. Well, no. All our cards are going to be on TCG Player. I guess you could say that was an amazing pull.
It was. Away. Warlock Generations. Twin Saber. Underroot. Lavalva. Lord, ex-Lord.
I might pull one.
Far East. Sphinx. Arm Sage. Last pack,
y'all. Maybe it's a Star 4 rare. What you think?
Let's see. We're gonna pray about it. Good cards only. Twin Saber. Underroot. Brothers. There's a bit of Branded. The Zexal Construction.
That's cool.
Amazement, Abasa, Bufo. Interests. Binary Blader. Prominent Flame.
That's pretty good. You actually got the best pull, I think, between all of us. Oh, yeah, just these. You just show these off.
Oh, yeah. Got the live. I keep on saying live twin. Live twin. Live.
Yeah, you keep saying live. It's
live. Live twin.
Killer Kill.
Yeah, Killer Kill. Maze Attraction Cyclo Coaster. Bahalutia, the Grand Radiance. Ultimate Dragonic Utopia. Albion, the Branded Dragon. An amazing time ticket.
That's cool.
Alright, thanks for joining me. Enjoyed pulling these awesome cards. Bye.
Bye. Stole my outro, y'all. Love y'all.